Hello students, come to the class number 23. Class 23. Now in the previous class we have discussed some formulas on the using that cos of x plus y. Once again I write what we have discussed in the previous class, the formulas, which formulas we have discussed. Let us see the students here. Cos of x plus y, using this we have deduced some formulas of 2x and 3x, sum and difference of cos, sin and tan. Now let us see cos of x plus y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. I will take both plus or minus. When plus it is minus, when minus it is plus. Cos x cos y into sin of x into sin of y. Cos x cos y into sin x into sin y. Sin of x plus y, both sin x, both sum and difference. Sin x into cos y, when it is plus plus, when it is minus minus. Cos x into sin y. Here I am writing both sum and difference. Tan of x plus y and tan of x minus y. Tan x plus, when positive positive, when negative negative. Tan x plus tan y or tan x minus tan y divided by 1 minus, when plus minus, when minus it is plus, opposite sign, tan x into tan y, tan x into tan of y. This is tan of x plus y. Cot x plus y, both sum and difference. Cot x cot y, when plus it is minus, plus 1 divided by cot y plus or minus cot of x. When positive positive, when minus, when negative it is negative. So this is what the sum and difference of sin, cos, tan and cot we have discussed in the previous classes. Now let us come to the 2x and 3x also we have discussed. Sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x in terms of tan, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x in terms of 4 different forms. Cos 2x as in terms of 4 different forms. One is cos square x minus sin square x. In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. These are the 4 different forms of cos 2x. We have calculated in the previous class using that cos of x plus y only. Next, sin 2x cos 2x. Then we have calculated tan 2x, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square of x. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square of x. This is tan of 2x. Tan of 2x. Then we have calculated 3x of sin cos tan. This is 2x of sin cos tan. Then 3x, these are multiple angles, 2x, 2x, multiple angles. Sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Multiple angles it is. Sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x into 3 sin x minus of 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x into minus of 4 sin cube x. Then next, cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, cos of 3x it is, and tan 3x, 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square of x, divided by 1 minus of 3 tan square of x. So these are the formulas we have discussed in the previous class. Now let us see the students. Now we will go for again using these formulas, sum and difference formula and product formula, sum and difference and the product formulas. Let us will reduce the transform these formulas into another form of a formula, transformation formula. This is known as a transformation formula. Now let us I will transfer the formula, the sum and difference in terms of a product and sum and difference formula. Suppose to be product means sin 10 into sin 20 degree. How to write? Sin 10 into sin of 20 degree. Sin 10 plus sin 20 degree is equal to, this is product and this is sum. So let us here, I will deduce the formula to how to calculate such an examples. I will transform these formulas in terms of sum and difference and product formula. Now see we know that sin of x plus y is equal to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Sin of x minus y is equal to difference formula. Here I am writing separately. Minus cos x into sin y. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2. Cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x into sin y. These are the 4 formulas. Formula number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 formulas here. Cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y, sin of x plus y and sin of x minus y. Using this, I will transform the formulas into sum and product, into the sum and product formulas. Using these formula, I will transform the formula into sum and difference formula, sum and difference and the product formula. Let us see here, adding equations 1 and 2, adding equations 1 and 2, that is sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y is equal to, adding these two equations 1 and 2. Then see the students here, plus cos x sin y minus cos x sin y get cancelled. What remain? Sin x into cos y, 2 times of sin x into cos y. Product formula it becomes, call it as a equation number 5. So therefore, sin x into cos y is equal to, sin x into cos y is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. This is product formula, you will get it. Sin into cos, sin 10 into cos 10 or whatever it may be, 20. Sin 10 into sin 10 it becomes a sin square 10. Sin 10 into cos 20. Different angles, x and y are the different angles. Product formulas. So this is one formula, here we will get it. Next, subtracting equation 2 from 1. What? This is equation number 5. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. See what it becomes. Sin of x plus y, 1 minus 2 it is. Minus of sin of x minus y, sin of x plus y minus of sin of x minus y is equal to. See, subtracting 1 minus 2, this is minus of minus plus it is. This get cancelled. Sin x cos y, sin x cos y get cancelled. Cos x sin y plus cos x sin y. 2 times of cos x sin y, you will get it, the students here. call it as equation number 7, sorry 6, equation number 6 it is. You will get this one, equation number 6. Therefore cos x into sin y is equal to, take this 2 this side, it becomes what? Sin of x plus y minus of sin of x minus y. Sin of x plus y minus of sin of x minus y. This is cos x into sin y. This is what? Cos x into sin of y. Next, similarly 192 added and subtracted. 192 added and equations 192 adding and subtracted. Here we get sin x into cos y and cos x into sin y formula. Similarly we will add 3 and 4. Adding equations 3 and 4. This is subtracting equation 2 from 1. Then adding 3 and 4. Cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y, adding here. Now see, adding minus plus same terms get cancelled here. Sin x, sin y. Sin x, sin y get cancelled. What remain here? 2 times of cos x into cos y. You will get it. 2 times of cos x into cos y. Call it as a equation number 7. Equation number 7 it is. So therefore cos x into cos y is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Here transforming these formulas into product formula and sum and difference formula. You will come to know product formula. So therefore cos x into cos y, cos 10 into cos 20, cos 20 into cos 30, you may express in this form also. So this is the question number 7, equation number 7 it is. Now next, subtracting equation 4 from 3. Subtracting equation 4 from 3. Cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y is equal to 3. Equation 3 minus equation 4. See, minus equation 3 minus 4. So this is get cancelled. Cos x cos y minus cos x cos y get cancelled. Same sign. Minus 2 times of sin x into sin y. This is the equation number 8. This is the equation number 8 we have. So therefore sin x into sin y is equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. See the product formula, sin x into cos y, cos x into sin y, cos x into cos y, cos x into cos of y, and this is sin x into sin y. This is sin x into sin y. So these are the 4 product formula. Here we will get it here. These are the 4 product formula, you will get it here. Now let us see the student. Next, now let us will take let x plus y equal to c and x minus y equal to d. Let us taking x plus y equal to, we are transforming c and d, x and y in terms of c and d taking here. Then we will make the sum formula. Then you will have to calculate x and y value. X plus y equal to c, x minus y equal to d here. Then here y get cancelled here. 2x equal to c plus d. Therefore x equal to c plus d by 2. X equal to c plus d by 2. Substituting here, x equal to c plus d by 2. Here finding separately x and y, x plus y you have taken as a c. Here transforming these x and y in terms of c and d. X plus y is taken as a c, x minus y is taken as a d. So calculating x and y here, adding these 2 equations, you will get x. And similarly, x plus y is equal to c, x minus y equal to d. Calculating y, it is x calculated here, change of sign, 2y equal to C minus D. Therefore, y equal to C minus D. C minus of D. So transforming this x and y in terms of C and D. Now let us see another angles. Substituting x plus y equal to C, substituting x plus y equal to C, x minus y equal to D, x equal to C plus D by 2, and y is equal to C minus D by 2 in equations 5, 6, 7 and 8. What? See, I repeat once again the students here. Substituting x plus y equal to C, what you have taken, that changing the variables here, x and y are changing here. X plus y is equal to C, x minus y equal to D, x equal to C plus D by 2, y equal to C minus D by 2 in equations 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now see, the equation 5 becomes, this is equation 5. See what it becomes, sin C, x plus y equal to C, plus sin D. Here after transforming these x and y in terms of C and D, you will get some formula. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 times of x, what is x? C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos of y, what is y? C minus D by 2. Transforming x and y in terms of C and D. The next, sin C minus of sin D in the equation number 6. Sin C minus of sin D in the equation number 6 is equal to 2 times of cos of C. What is x? C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Sin of C minus D by 2. This is equation number 6. 5, 6. Then 7. Substitute in the 7. What is the equation number 7? C. Cos C. Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is equal to cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 times of cos x C plus D by 2 y C minus D by 2 2 times of cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 cos C plus cos D cos C plus of cos of D. Next, cos C minus cos D, cos C minus cos D minus in the equation number 2, 8 minus 2 times of sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. See, sum and difference in terms of product, sum and difference in terms of product, product in terms of sum and difference, product in terms of sum and difference. So these are the 8 formulas we have get after transforming the sum and difference of a cos and sin formula. So let us, you will use these formulas along with that whatever you have taken along with this, you may take these 8 formula, that 14 formulas we have taken in the previous class, along with that 14 you may add these 8 formulas. So using these formulas 14 plus 8, 22 formulas, you may calculate the examples. So this is the compound angles, sum and difference of the trigonometric functions. Now let us, using these formulas, we may calculate the examples. Let us, I will write the formulas here first. So whatever we have calculated, sum of 4 formulas and product 4 formulas, sum and difference 4 formula and the product 4 formulas. So these formulas, here we have transformed. Let us see the students. I will write all the formulas once again and how to remember. Let us see how to remember. How to remember these formulas. Now see the students. How to remembering. Now see, first sin C plus sin D, first sin, then cos, you may remember like that. In terms of product, first sin then cos. This is 2 times of sin c plus d by 2 into c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d. First cos, then sin. First cos, then sin. Cos c plus cos d. Both cos. Both cos. Cos c plus cos d. Cos c minus cos d. Both sin. Both sin. C plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d and cos c minus of cos d. So these are the 4 formulas here, cos c cos d and sin c sin d. So this is what the 4 formulas here. The 4 formulas, cos c plus cos d and sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d and sin c minus sin d. So these are the 8 formulas here. So this is what sum and difference in terms of product formula it is. I will write the product formulas here. So these are the 4 formulas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now similarly here I will write the product formulas. Sin x into cos y. Sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. Sin x into cos y. Cos x into sin y. Difference sin x plus y minus of sin of x minus y. Difference cos x into cos y. Cos x plus y plus cos of x minus y. Cos x into cos y. Cos x plus y plus of cos of x minus y. Sin x into sin y minus cos x plus y minus of cos of x minus y. Minus 1 by 2 into. Minus 1 by 2 into. Sin x into sin y. Sin 10 into sin 20. Cos 10 into cos 20. Cos 10 into sin 20. Sin 10 into cos 20. You may express in these ways. When they are sum, sin c plus sin d, sin 20 plus sin 30, you may express in terms of product. Sin 20 minus of sin 30, you may express in terms of products. Cos 20 plus cos 30, you may express in terms of product. Cos 20 minus of cos 30, you may express in the form of these. So this is about the transformation formula. 4 sum and difference formula and 4 the product formulas. Along with that 14 formulas we have discussed in the previous class. 14 formula, you may take these 8 also. So you will use these formulas here. Here the students, in this chapter the formulas are very, very important for the point of this second PUC syllabus also. You need all the formulas. Formulas are very, very important. Yes, see how to remember here. Sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d. Sum and difference. Sum, first sin then cos. Difference, first cos then sin. You may remember like that. Cos c plus cos d, both cos. For cos sum and cos difference. Both cos. Cos c minus cos d, both sin. You know, once c plus d by 2. In the second one, c minus d by 2. Sin c plus sin d. When sum and difference of sin and when sum and difference of cos, sin c plus sin d, first sin then cos, first cos then sin, both cos for cos and both sin for the cos. This is what sin c plus sin d, cos sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d and cos c minus of cos d. So these are the 4 plus 4 product formula and this is sum and difference formula. Now let us see the examples, students here. Let us see the examples. We will go for the examples. Now see the examples. Now find the values of, after having these, the one of the important formula cos x plus y, some formula, and we will go for the examples here. Now let us see the examples. Example. Find the values of sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree, tan 15 degree, 15 degree. You don't know, this is not a standard angle 15 degree. You know only 5 angles are standard: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These are all you have to calculate. Now let us see first one, sin 15 degree. See the students, shall I write sin 15 as a 45 minus 30? Don't write 100 minus 85. It is also possible to write, but you should take in terms of standard angles, knowing angles. These two are, don't know the values. Knowing angles, in terms of standard angles, converting this one. 15 is equal to 45 minus 30 degrees. Sin 15 degree is equal to sin 45 minus of sin 30 degree. So expanding, sin a minus b or sin x minus y. You know what is sin x minus y? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. When minus, when for sin, for cos opposite here. Then see, this is sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin of 30. Sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin of 30. Substitute their values. 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. Substituting their values. Simplify this one. Root 3 by 2 root 2. 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, sin 15 degree is equal to, taking LCM 2 root 2, root 3 minus 1. This is the value of sin 15 degree. Sin 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Remember the values, friends. Sin 15 is equal to how much here? Root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is the sin 15 degree value. Sin of 15 degree value it is. Next. Now let us come to the cos 15. This second one, cos 15. Cos 15 degree. Now see the students. Cos 15 is equal to same 45 minus 30. You may write like that. Cos 15 is equal to 45 minus of 30 degree. So you know cos, this is what in the form of cos of x minus y you have converted. 15 degree cos of x minus y you have converted. I think this is taken. So you know the students, sir, what is cos of x minus y? It is in the form of cos of x minus y. You know very well. Cos of x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x into sin y. For cos opposite side, for sin same sign. You remember like that the students here. Then next, this is what, cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30, cos 45 cos 30 plus sin 45 sin 30. So therefore cos of 15 degree is equal to, what is cos 45? 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. Simplify this one. Root 3, this is what? Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 it becomes. So therefore cos 15 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 degree is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is cos 15 degree values, friends. Sin 15, cos 15 values, this is sin 15 and cos of 15 degree values here. Sin 15 is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Cos 15 is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is what? Sin 15 and cos of 15. Now, let us see the third one, tan 15. tan of 15 degree. I will calculate the tan 15 degree also. Now see the students, tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree is equal to, you may write same type, 45 minus 30. It is not possible to write according to that whatever it may be. 50 minus of 35, you may write like that. Not possible to write it. You have to convert in terms of a standard angles. Then you know the value of tan x. Here I will write the formula of tan of x minus y formula here. I will remove this one straight. Tan of x minus y formula. What is tan x minus y formula? Tan x minus y formula. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan of y. Is it a tan of x minus y formula? These are all we have calculated by using that theorem. One of the important result it is tan of x minus y. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So let us expand the students using that. This is the tan 15 degree. See, tan 45 tan x, same sign. Tan y, tan 30 divided by opposite sign 1 plus tan 45 tan x into tan of y as a 30 degree. Substitute their values, simplify it. This is the tan of 45, tan of 45 minus of tan of 30 divided by 1 plus tan 45 into tan of 30 degree. Now see, simplify it. See what it becomes. Tan 45 1. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Is it tan 30 is 1 by root 3? Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 plus divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 by root 3 it is. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. Simplifying, taking LCM in the numerator. What is LCM in the numerator? Root 3. Root 3 is LCM here. Multiplying by root 3 minus 1. Denominator also root 3 LCM here. Multiplying by root 3 it is plus 1. Root 3 get cancelled. Tan of 15 degree is equal to, so therefore tan 15 degree is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Rationalizing this value, you don't keep as it is. Tan 15 degree is equal to, how much you get here? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. After the simplification, root 3 here taken the LCM here, multiplied by root 3, LCM taken, root 3 minus 1, here also LCM taken here, 1, this is 1 plus 1 by root 3 it is, so here also taken LCM here, root 3 multiplied here, root 3 plus 1, this root 3 get cancelled, what remain here? Root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1, rationalizing here, root 3 minus 1 multiplying and dividing, root 3 minus 1, opposite sign of this denominator, so tan 15 degree is equal to, so a minus b whole square, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus of b square, a square minus of b square. See how much it becomes? A square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus of 2ab. This is 3 minus 1 root 3 square and 1 square. How much in the denominator? 2 it is. So see how much it is? 3 plus 1 4 it is. 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2 it is. So therefore simplify this one, separately divide it is 2 minus root 3. Is it 2 minus root 3? Dividing separately 4 by 2 it is, and minus of 2 root 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled here, root 3 remains here. So what is the value of tan 15 degrees, friends? Tan 15 degree is equal to 2 minus root 3. Remember the values. Sin 15 how much? Root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Cos 15 how much? Root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Tan 15 is how much we are getting? 2 minus root 3. You need sometimes while calculating the CT examples, tan 15 degree value 2 minus root 3. Tan of 15 degrees 2 minus of root 3 value it is. So this is tan 15 here. Now similarly we will go for the remaining example, students here. This is the first example it is. Here we have calculated sin 15, cos 15 and tan of 15 degree. Now let us see the example. Next type examples. We will go for similar type examples. See the students what we have calculated here. Sin 15 we have calculated root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Cos 15 we have calculated root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Just we have calculated tan of 15 degree 2 minus root 3 you get. So these are the three values here we have calculated the students here. Now next, find the values of sin 75 degree, 75 of sin cos tan, cos 75 degree, tan of 75 degree. 75 is of all of the three here. Let us here any one I will calculate as students here out of 3 I will calculate any one. You may calculate yourself remaining 2 here. Shall I go for sin 75, cos 75, tan 75, anyone I will calculate the students the same time as you have calculated in the previous whatever that 15 degree you have calculated, like that only you have to calculate here. So I will calculate any one, second one I will calculate the students here, cos 75. See cos 75, 45 plus 30 degree, don't write 60 plus 15, don't write 70 plus 5. Don't write 100 minus 25. These are all not the standard values. You have to convert in terms of a standard angle. So you know 45 and 30 degree. 75 you may write it. You know very well cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos x cos y minus of sin x into sin y. Now see the students here. Cos 75 degree is equal to cos 45 cos 30. Minus sin 45 into sin of 30 degree. Cos x cos y minus sin x into sin of y. Substituting the values here. Cos 75 degree. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Minus what is sin 45? 1 by root 2. What is sin 30? 1 by 2 it is. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. See the simplify it is cos of 75 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 root 2 it is minus 1 by 2 root 2 it is. So therefore 2 root 2 is the LCM here. Cos 75 2 root 2 is LCM it is root 3 minus 1. Cos 75 degree. This is what? Cos of 75 degree. You may make it homework, calculate sin 75 degree and tan of 75 degree, same type what you have calculated. After getting the values you may rationalize it. You will get it. The tan of 75 degree values answer here. Tan of 75 degree. You may calculate like that, the students here. So this is what? Sin 75, cos 75, tan of 75. So, and I will give the homework, students here. You may calculate these also. Homework. So, sin 105, cos 105, and third one tan of 105 degree. Let us these two homework, second and third, and these three also you may calculate the homework. Same it is 105. You may write it 105 as a 60 plus 45 degree. 60 also standard angle, 45 degree also standard angle. It is not possible to write 100 plus 5 degree. So you may calculate these two, these three homeworks also, and these two also. Similar type of you may calculate the students. So with this, I conclude the today's class, students here. I will continue in the next class some more examples on these whatever we have studied the formulas here. Thank you, students. Thank you.